In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a game in Replit, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. By the end, you'll have a classic breakout-style game running in your browser built with HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript without having to handcode everything yourself. We'll start inside Replit. First, sign into your account so you can create a new project. In the top left corner, click Create REPL. In the template list, choose Replit Agent. Depending on your plan, this option may require a core subscription. Once the workspace opens, you'll see a chat panel on the left and your files area in the center. Now we'll use an easy prompt that instructs the agent to build the entire game for you. In the chat box, paste this text exactly and send it. Build a classic 2D breakout game using HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. The game should include a paddle controlled by the mouse or arrow keys, colorful bricks that disappear when hit, and a score counter. Make the design modern with dark mode styling and a game over screen that allows the player to restart. After you submit that, the agent will generate the project structure and code automatically. You'll see files appear, typically index.html for the page, style for the look and feel, and script, JS for the game logic and loop. As the agent works, keep an eye on the web view panel on the right side of your screen. This live preview lets you watch the game come to life in real time. You should see the dark styled canvas, a paddle at the bottom, bricks at the top, and the score increasing as you break bricks. Use your mouse or the arrow keys to move the paddle. When the ball drops past the paddle, a game over screen should appear with a prompt to restart. From here, it's all about refinement. If you want the ball to move faster, type that in the chat. If you like a background image, mention that, and the agent will update the files for you. The key is to be clear and specific. For example, say, increase the paddle width to 120 pixels, or change the brick colors to a neon palette to get precise results. You can iterate as much as you like, and every change will be reflected in the preview. That's it. You've used Replit Agent to scaffold, preview, and refine a complete breakout game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all within a single, easy workflow.